Hey everyone, I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless Cable Railing, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to properly maintain your HAAS Stainless Cable Railing system in a saltwater environment. The cable railing systems that we manufacture here at HAAS Stainless are made out of high quality Type 316 stainless steel, which makes them great for a wide variety of outdoor environments. While stainless steel is very rust and corrosion resistant, it's important to understand that stainless steel is susceptible to rust and corrosion if left untreated in a saltwater environment. The rust that can form on stainless steel due to salt particles is what is referred to as chloride accumulation. Chloride accumulation occurs when salt particles accumulate in the same location over time and are not removed. For cable railing systems, chloride accumulation commonly occurs in between each of the strands that make up the cable, but in some cases can also form on the components themselves. Luckily, preventing rust and chloride accumulation from building up on your cable railing system is easy, so let's go over some of the steps that you'll need to take to ensure that your system remains rust and corrosion free. Debris, sand, and dirt can hold salt particles better than clean stainless steel. We recommend having as clean of a work area as possible to reduce the likelihood of foreign contaminants getting on the cable and components during installation, and will make post-installation cleaning much easier. Immediately after your system has been installed, we recommend heavily spraying off your cable and components with fresh water to remove any potential salt deposits or foreign contaminants from your system. Once your system has had a chance to dry, your next step will be to clean and protect your system from rust and corrosion. For cleaning and repassivating your system, we recommend using CitraSurf 77+. Passivation refers to the process of removing any free iron from the surface of stainless steel using an acidic solution. This will ensure that your system will start off as corrosion resistant as possible. After cleaning your system with CitraSurf, we recommend using BoShield T9 as a rust preventative for high salinity environments like waterfront properties or beach houses, where your system will experience consistent contact with salt deposits. The combination of these two solutions will give your system the best chance at defending against rust and corrosion in saltwater environments. Over the course of your system's life, it's very important to keep up with preventative maintenance. On a monthly basis, we recommend spraying off your cable and components with fresh water to knock off any salt deposits from accumulating, and then reapplying any rust preventatives on a quarterly basis. In the rare event that you ever do see any rust forming on your cable or your components, then be sure to act fast and remove the rust using CitraSurf 77+ or another similar product. For a more in-depth bulletin regarding cable railing maintenance in saltwater environments, feel free to click on the link in the description below, which will bring you to our cable railing maintenance page on our website. If you have any questions about today's video, then be sure to drop us a comment below, and if you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.